Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at Bento, a new iPhone to-do list app with a very different approach. Now, the name may remind you of the old Mac database app from the makers of FileMaker, but this app is different in just about every way possible. The hallmark feature of this new Bento is its simplicity. Instead of trying to give you a bunch of tools and features to manage complex projects and countless tasks, Bento makes you work inside of forced constraints to help you manage your focus and do the work that really matters. By design, Bento forces you to not try and do everything. So if you're used to hundreds of projects and thousands of tasks, Bento will feel limiting, but that's kind of the point. Bento gives you clear boundaries and makes you decide what's really worth doing. Then it gives you a beautiful interface to help you focus on the task at hand. Let's get started. So here we are at my iPhone home screen, and the first thing we need to do is go to the App Store and download Bento. Bento is a fairly new app, so it doesn't show up right at the top here in my search results. But if we scroll down a little bit, we'll find it right here, the Do Less to-do list. And the one you're looking for has a picture of a bento box as the icon and some beautiful artwork here which explains the basic features of the app. The description here touches on what makes Bento so unique. It's not a complex task management system, and it doesn't try to do everything. It's designed to help you focus on only a few of your most important tasks by instituting task limits, helping you distinguish between small, medium, and large tasks, and optimizing a workflow based on your energy level. Now, I've already bought the application, so I have this download icon in the upper right. I'll tap on that to download the application, but if you're buying it for the first time, at the time of this recording, it's $5.99 in US dollars. It's a one-time purchase, no subscription. So tap the icon, purchase the app, then tap Open to open the application.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.